All right, let me get a test shot because I changed my lighting. This is beautiful though. That's better. Perfect. And I'll show you some of these in a second. I think you're gonna like them. Getting full body right now. Perfect. Some BTS of us doing this. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Come in a little closer. Okay, now I'm going to back up, get some kind of tight shots. Beautiful. Kind of turn to the side for me. There you go. This hand bring up just a little bit. Yep, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Got it. All right. Yep, exactly. So shooting at 105 millimeters. Perfect. Good. Got my ISO bumped up. The reflection of the light and the glass, that's pretty. I'm gonna bump up my ISO a little bit. Bring my shutter speed down. All right, let me get a test shot because I changed my lighting. This is beautiful though. Perfect. Real close. Perfect, love it. Give me something really animated, like kind of spread out, like if it's uncomfortable. Like the editorial kind of like just crazy kind of pose, whatever comes to your mind. There you go. I had to edit that softbox out. Perfect. All right. All right. I'll bring my light power down. Come up some. I usually fall about once a shoot, so don't worry about it. It's to be expected. Perfect, beautiful. Hang on, hold that. Let me get some not in the bush. Perfect. You guys come on through. Yeah. See if I can get them not in the shot. So give me one leg back, kind of. There you go. Get right down the bar. All right. Might have to move the light back, it's in the way. So since I moved it back, I'm gonna raise the power up. Just have to figure out the composition. This looks good from here though. Love that. Hold that with holding down on the hair. Yep, love that. Let me just see if I get a good composition. Hold that. I'm gonna come from this side. See what it looks like over here. Yeah, it's nice. Love, love, love. Do kind of a wide angle. Perfect. Love that. Good, good. And then turn straight towards me. Yep, there you go. Perfect.